Guys, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you a live withdrawal of 15 TRX, and if this TRX come into my wallet, I'm going to be posting this video, but if it doesn't, I'm going to be deleting this video from here, so watch till the end. So guys, my withdrawal has finally arrived. As you can see over here, I just received a notification saying I've received 15 TRX. So I'm going to be going to my Trust wallet now to check if finally it has showed in my wallet. So guys, as you can see over here, the withdrawal of 15 TRX has successfully arrived to my Trust wallet account. So guys, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you too can also get yours done for you. So guys, watch this video directly to the end so you too can also know how to earn your free TRX to your Trust wallet account without any investment of any kind. So guys, watch this video to the end. If you know you like what we're doing on this channel, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be updated, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, the link to this site is going to be left in the description box. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box down below. Now when you are on the link, when you tap on the link, it's going to be taking you to where you're going to be registering. So guys, when you tap on the registration, when you tap on the link in the description box below, you're going to be seeing this. All you need to do is to come over here. As you can see, I'm going to be zooming into my screen. As you can see on the top over here, it says sign up, and over here it says login. So guys, as your first time, all you need to do as a first time user on this site is to sign up. As you can see it over here, all you need to do is to tap on the sign up button, and when you click on sign up, it's going to be showing you some the information that you are supposed to fill in. As you can see over here, to create your account, all this information are to be filled appropriately before you can be successfully registered. So guys, zooming into my screen, as you can see over here, it says input your full name, input your full name, your username, your email address, retype your email address, then come over here, your password, repeat your password, input a secret question so that in case you lose your account or maybe you forget your password, when you input this secret question, then they're going to be asking you the question, and when you answer it correctly, your account is going to be recovered. So when you input your secret question, you come over here and input your secret answer. So after that is done, as you can see over here, the payment which is very, very important. All you need to do is to input your Bitcoin. Now, it's not a must that you must input all the addresses. For the purpose of this video, like I showed you earlier, I withdrew 15 TRX to my Trust wallet. So guys, doing this, I use my TRX address. So all you need to do, it is optional. If you like, you can input your Bitcoin or your Litecoin or your Dogecoin or your Ethereum or your Bitcoin Cash or your USDT or your Tron wallet or BNB. So guys, for the sake of this video, I imputed my TRX address. So after that is done, you go ahead and verify that you are not a robot, agree with the terms and conditions, then you go ahead and tap on register. Now when you register guys, your account is going to be successfully created. Then you can also verify your email. So after that is done, all you need to do is to log in to your account. Now to log into your account, all that is needed is just your username and your password. Then after that is done, you verify you are not a robot and tap on login. And when you click on login guys, after the verification, you are going to be verifying that you are not a robot. You tap on login, and when you click on login, your account is going to be successfully logged in for you. So guys, this is the account as I showed you earlier on my early withdrawal. As you can see over here, this is the amount of TRX, 0.9 TRX that I have mining for me, and this is what my miner has mined. I have 15 TRX, in which I just showed you earlier in this video, and I withdrew it directly to my Trustwallet account. So guys, this site, you don't need any investment. Investment is optional. You can also invest to increase your mining speed and your income, but I'm not a financial advisor, and this video, like I showed you, it was a free miner I used in mining, and I withdrew from it successfully without any investment. So guys, all you need to do over here, immediately you are logged in, your miner is going to start mining automatically for you. As you can see over here, my miner is still mining. Although I withdrew 15 TRX, it's still mining, and this is what my balance over here, 0.9 TRX that I have in my withdrawable balance, as you can see over here. So guys, this is how you can earn. And to also, as you can see over here, this is your referral link. You can also share your referral link, and when you share your referral link, as you can see over here, when you share your referral link, your mining power is going to be increased. The amount of referrals you get, the more mining power you get to speed up your mining. So guys, to also, if you want to buy a miner to increase your earnings, all you have to do is to tap on buy miner. As you can see over here, it says buy miner. Now when you tap on buy miner, so guys, as you can see over here, these are the miners you can buy for yourself. As you can see all of them here. For this, when you invest, like the minimum amount of TRX to invest is 200 TRX, and when you invest 200 TRX, you're going to be getting 2000 gigahertz per second, and your profits are going to be getting 22.2 TRX profit. And when you invest 500 TRX, you're going to be getting 22.5 TRX profit. Invest 5000 TRX, you'll be getting 300 TRX profit. Invest 1000, invest 15,000 TRX, you'll be getting 1002 TRX, and so on and so forth. So guys, you can check this out for yourself and know which of them suits you best. But remember, I am not a financial advisor, and like I said, I used the free miner until I withdrew to my Trust Wallet. So guys, this is how you can earn successfully on this site, just like I did, and trust me, you are going to be making a lot of money from this. So guys, please and please, if you like this video and you want us to continue uploading very interesting videos like this on how you can make cool money online, please and please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and also leave us a nice comment in the comment section below. And when you click on the notification bell, don't forget you're going to be the first to be notified whenever we upload nice content and nice videos like this. See you guys on my next video as we keep on making cool cash online with cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and see you again on my next video.